Welcome to the enchanting realm of wood log furniture, where nature's beauty meets artisanal craftsmanship. In an era increasingly focused on sustainability and unique home decor, wood log furniture stands out as a perfect blend of aesthetics and functionality. This distinctive style not only adds warmth and character to any space, but also promotes an eco-friendly lifestyle by utilizing natural materials. Whether you are a homeowner seeking to elevate your living space or an aspiring entrepreneur looking to dive into a profitable business venture, the world of wood log furniture offers endless possibilities for creativity and innovation. As you explore the rich textures and organic forms of wood log creations, you'll discover the potential for turning simple logs into stunning pieces that tell a story. Each item is a testament to the artistry involved, allowing craftsmen to express their individuality while catering to a growing market that values unique, handmade products. From rustic charm to contemporary elegance, wood log furniture can suit various tastes and styles. By combining basic woodworking skills with a passion for design, you can embark on a fulfilling journey that not only enhances your home, but also creates opportunities for business and community engagement. Join us as we delve deeper into the inspiring ideas and practical strategies that make wood log furniture a thriving niche in the world of home decor. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the captivating world of wood log furniture. We hope you found inspiration in the creative designs and practical insights shared. If you enjoyed the video, please stay until the end for more valuable content. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with friends who might also appreciate the beauty and craftsmanship of wood log furniture. Your support helps us continue to bring you exciting ideas and tips for enhancing your home decor. The world of wood log furniture presents a unique opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs looking to merge creativity with profitability. With the rise of sustainable living and a growing appreciation for handcrafted items, wood log furniture has become a sought-after niche in the home decor market. This trend not only allows individuals to express their artistic flair, but also opens doors to lucrative business ventures. To embark on this journey, understanding the craftsmanship behind wood log furniture is essential. The process begins with selecting high-quality logs, which can be sourced sustainably to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Crafting furniture from these logs requires basic woodworking skills, making it accessible for individuals looking to start a business without extensive training. With a few tools and a creative mindset, anyone can transform raw materials into beautiful pieces of furniture. High-quality photographs and engaging stories about the creation process can captivate potential customers, making them more likely to invest in a piece that resonates with their personal style. Additionally, emphasizing the sustainability aspect of the materials used can attract eco-friendly consumers, further expanding the market reach. This network can lead to job creation, as successful businesses may require additional hands to keep up with demand. Hiring local talent can contribute to the community's economic growth and foster a sense of pride in locally made goods. Quality control is paramount in maintaining a reputable brand. Ensuring that each piece of furniture meets high standards will lead to positive customer reviews and repeat business. Investing time in perfecting the finishing touches on each item can set a business apart from competitors. Satisfied customers are likely to become brand ambassadors, sharing their positive experiences with friends and family, which can result in organic growth. In addition to traditional marketing strategies, exploring niche markets can provide additional revenue streams. For example, targeting businesses such as restaurants, cafes, or hotels that prioritize unique decor can lead to bulk orders. Offering customization options for commercial clients can further enhance profitability. By adapting designs to suit different aesthetics, a wood log furniture business can tap into various market segments. As the business grows, diversifying product offerings can also be beneficial. Introducing complementary items, such as decorative accessories or home improvement products, can encourage upselling and increase average order value. Customers who appreciate wood log furniture may also be interested in other handcrafted home goods, creating opportunities for cross-promotion. Investing in continuous learning is essential for staying competitive in the ever-evolving market. Attending workshops, engaging in online courses, and keeping abreast of design trends can enhance craftsmanship and business acumen. By refining skills and staying informed, entrepreneurs can adapt to changing consumer preferences and maintain relevance in the industry. Highlighting the sustainability aspect of your materials and marketing efforts can resonate with consumers looking for environmentally friendly options, increasing your appeal in a competitive market. Customization and personalization. Offering customization options can significantly enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. By allowing clients to choose sizes, finishes, and designs, you create a more personal shopping experience. Custom pieces can command higher prices, and satisfied customers are more likely to recommend your business to others, leading to organic growth through word-of-mouth referrals. Partnering with interior designers or social media influencers can expand your reach and introduce your products to new audiences. Collaborations can take various forms, from co-designed pieces to featured installations in homes or businesses. These partnerships can elevate your brand's visibility and credibility, attracting customers who may not have discovered you otherwise. Seasonal and thematic collections. Creating seasonal or themed collections can keep your offerings fresh and enticing. By aligning products with holidays, seasons, or design trends, you can encourage customers to update their decor regularly. This strategy not only boosts sales, but also positions your brand as a go-to source for unique, timely home decor solutions. In conclusion, the journey into the world of wood log furniture offers a unique blend of creativity, craftsmanship, and business potential. With the right skills, marketing strategies, and a commitment to quality, aspiring entrepreneurs can carve out a profitable niche in the home decor market. By focusing on sustainability and community engagement, they can not only build a successful business, but also contribute positively to the local economy and inspire others along the way. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and hope you found it both informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed the content, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more exciting ideas and insights into the world of wood log furniture and home decor. Your likes and shares not only help us reach a broader audience, but also motivate us to continue creating high-quality content that resonates with our community. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about our latest videos, tips, and creative projects that can help transform your living space. We believe in the power of handcrafted design, and with your support, we can keep bringing you innovative ideas that celebrate artistry and sustainability. Stay tuned for more, and thank you once again for being part of our journey.